Welcome to the official product review of this licensed remote control Land Rover. You can now drive the car of your dreams with this 1:24 scale replica model. The car is incredibly manoeuvrable and will provide hours of entertainment for car lovers young and old. The quality build means this car is incredibly realistic, and the controller comes with two joystick-style inputs, allowing for ease of driving and uncompromised fun. Batteries are required. 5 standard AA size, 2 for the controller and 3 for the motor. In addition, the car is lightweight, durable, and features headlights which light up when in motion. With traction control, you will be able to maintain top speed at all times.